How to fix and solve Uber duplicate account. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll show you guys how can you fix an Uber duplicate account issues. If you happen to face this sort of issue, then there's only one thing you could do is contact Uber customer support. So for that you want to open up a browser, and on the web address bar you want to type in contact Uber support. So you could go ahead and type in contact duplicate account. So here you could go to this first link that comes with detected a duplicate account, then go to help.uber.com. Once you've done it, so here you could go ahead and read out the instructions as well. And what you could do is, in order to fix it, you could actually go ahead and follow the instruction that has been listed out, or else you could go ahead and type in the last 4 digits of your driver license number right over here, and then your other email address you have used it, and other phone number you may have used it if there is a recovery phone number, and your preferred email address, your preferred phone numbers, and any other details you want to share, such as maybe a screenshot or maybe some description as what had caused this sort of issues, or what had hindered, and all that, and click the submit button after you've done it. So it's gonna take a couple of hours or maybe a day or two in order to get your issue fixed. And similarly, some of the important points to remember is that only one account per person. That means Uber policy states that each user can only have one account activated, and if you're facing issue with existing account, do not attempt to create a new one to bypass the problem as well. And now make sure to be prepared to provide the identity and ownership of the account. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.